Hey, what's up everybody? It's Supercube Guy 97 here, and today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, I have a cube here. It's 5x5. You can pause and count that if you want. It's pretty unsolved at the moment. It's a cat over there. So there's a lot of different methods on how to do this, but the one I like to use is called the reduction method. So what you basically have to do is take this cube and turn it into a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, and then from there, well, we'll get there when we get there. So first of all, in order to get this into a 3x3, all you have to do is, and there, it's a 3x3 now. So after this, the next step is to continue in the reduction and make this into a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. And so in order to do that, all you have to do is just pop that piece out. And there, as you can see, there's a 1x1 Rubik's Cube. So at this point, it's solved. And if you do this step correctly, you should actually end up with 8 1x1 Rubik's Cubes. That 5x5 is pretty big, so there's, the bigger the cube, the more 1x1s you're gonna get out of it. And then if you do like a 3x3, you might only get 2 or 3 1x1s from that. But with a 5x5, you should be able to get about 8. And you can see them there. So 1x1. Maybe in the future, I'll do a tutorial on how to reverse the reduction method, and then you can get a 5x5 again. But as far as this goes, this is the reduction method. It's the way I've found to be most efficient. And that's it. Goodbye.